This is a game where there's a bunch of islands and a bunch of disasters start happening on the islands or outside of the islands. And I've played this game before and I really seem to like it. I love the song. Look, you can see down there that there's a bunch of islands, and you can see that like a bunch of bad stuff is happening on all those islands. Alright, so this is that a new round is starting, okay? Just 10 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's just go. Here we go. Going. I really like this intense music. I always just stay on my island to survive first. So you can see that you cannot touch that water. Whoa. Everything is going wrong. My island hasn't been taken down yet. I have to go to a different island because that one's sure to get a disaster on it. I have to pick this one because my island's gonna get destroyed in some minutes. Okay, fling me to a nearby island, good things. Run. Yes, run here. Everything's going bad. And they're fighting each other. Okay, I'm gonna get up here and get that sword. No, mine. Mine. No, she got it. Okay. On. That's close. No! I don't have one. I'm gonna die now. Alright, just keep on running around. We're gonna be fine. Think. Yes! Okay, this is going bad already. Just today I played this game and I got in first place. First try. But I know I haven't been winning a lot. It's really hard. The tornado just flung this girl over here. Oh. Run away from that guy. He has the explosive head. Jump on. Good, he's gone. Yes. This girl doesn't have the sword anymore, so we're fine. What? That scared me. We have to switch islands. There's a teleporter. Probably not gonna go on that. I just need to make sure no curses go on here. The last people. Come on. If she dies, I win. I'm first. Okay, nothing bad going on. We're good. No, she's going. Nope. Jump! I think this is safe. No, it's not. Probably gonna get second place. Yes, she's sliding. I'm not. No! She didn't die. Yes. No, she's on an island. That's bad. I got glass. Do not jump. Just don't jump. That's all we do. That island should be safe once the lava goes away. Okay, we're safe here. Both of us are on this. The music started again. See, there's nothing down here. Let's go to the trampoline next. Oh, the lava's gone through that one, so this one doesn't have any disasters. Because it already had a disaster. She's on the trampoline. She's on. Alright. We should be safe and win this round. No! No! We're gonna die. We're dead. No. No way. We're in second. We're in second. Yes! Yes! All I have to do is get on this. No! But that thing's gonna shoot at me. I hate this ice. Stop shooting, Volcano. No! I got teleported. Yes! Yes! Wait. There's still... Yay! First try, too. First place. That's really good. I love first place. I almost literally lost. Okay, let's do this round and then end the video. Okay, just stay on the... She left her island, got on mine. Oh, their islands. Oh, she already died. Bet she's in 20th place. Okay, we can go. We're safe now. Let's go on that island, because we need on there. No, we're not surviving. I don't think we're going to. Tornado! Fling me. No, oop, I died. Got destroyed by that. Okay, I'm gonna try and find some things. Some of those things. Yeah, that thing up here. Dang it! How do I collect these? I forgot how to collect them. I haven't played this game in so long. I can't collect those. How do I collect them? You're a guy with the UFO. How do you collect them? I haven't played this game in so long, I forgot how to collect. I could rejoin the round? Dang. That was weird. But I can't rejoin it again, I think. I spawned in ice. Run! Can I survive this and get in first place again? Come on. Come on. Come on. No! I'm dead. I'm gonna die. If it does that. Oh yes! Yay! Nice. Great. You need to make sure we get on the glass, but don't crack it too much, because it's already cracked. Just had to get far away from the volcano. Was there a disaster over there? I couldn't see. I think there was, so I'm gonna go run over there. Go, go. Okay, run. The sand is really good when there's lava on your island. Like the lava tiles. I could just score in first place again. This one might not have a disaster. Okay, we have to get on this. We didn't have enough time to get there. Oh. Let's stay on this. This is safe. Oh! I'm gonna die. Get lost. Wait, can I rejoin again? No, I can't. That was close, too. Whoa, I guess I should end the video, guys. That was kind of short. I'm in third place. Guys, wait, I forgot to press claim. That's fine, though. Guys, that was kind of short video, but yeah, I don't want to worry about that. I just want to worry about ending the video. So guys,